If you don't want to miss any more videos, make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and make sure to turn your notifications bell on. Hey guys, Keilan here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that watched my previous video, it was about me using some new products from the brand Noughty. I'm going to be featuring those products today in this wash and go routine. But first, I'm starting off with some fresh washed hair. I used the Maui Moisture Curl Quench coconut oil shampoo and conditioner to kind of stay in the same line of silicone free and sulfate free products. For those of you that did watch my previous video, you would know that the Noughty brand is a silicone free brand, so I kind of wanted to stay in the same family and use silicone free products along with those two products that I'm going to be using from Noughty. So before I apply those products to my hair, I'm going to start off sectioning my hair. Nothing new. I do this all the time in my wash and go videos. Every time I do a wash and go, I section my hair off because I feel like I distribute the product a lot better and I get an overall better result when I do my hair this way. So after I've re-wet my hair, I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner. This is a new product from the brand Noughty that I talked about in my previous video. But I'm just going to be starting off with this product in my hair first, just to create a nice base and to detangle my hair. I kind of have sort of this technique that I like to use when I'm putting products in my hair. I like to press and rake the product through my hair, which you'll see in the video. I just feel like it gives me the best result, and it makes sure that every strand is coated and distributed properly to each strand of hair so that I get really good defined curls. I probably didn't have to use a brush, but I just think using a paddle brush or any type of brush like a Denman brush, something like that, I think it gives even more definition. So I used a brush just to give my hair a little bit more definition, and you can already see just by using the leave-in conditioner my hair is already really defined. So the next product that I'm going to apply in my hair is just going to add some moisture in my hair, just to top off this definition that I already have. That I'm using is also from the previous video. It's the Wave Hello Curl Defining Cream by Noughty, and I really like this product. It's so thick and you really get the feeling that it's moisturizing your hair just because of how thick it is, and it's just overall really moisturizing. I probably could have stopped here, but I just wanted to ensure that I was going to get the hold that I normally have. So I applied my gel from Tresemme because I know I always get a hold, a nice hold when I use this product. But I probably could have stopped at the leave-in conditioner and curl cream, but you know. So after I applied the gel, that's really it. I do apply a spray oil on my hair just to give it some more shine, but really that's all I put in my hair. I'm just going to speed through the next part of this video because I'm basically just going to be repeating what I did with this one section to all of my sections. So I did want to mention that the leave-in conditioner smells amazing. I talked about that in my last video, but the Wave Hello Curl Defining Cream, that doesn't really have a smell. So if you're looking for products that have a scent to them, the leave-in conditioner definitely does. I did want to mention that I do like to take a microfiber towel and scrunch my hair. I feel like it helps the curl and it just overall gives me more definition than if I was to not use a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. If you don't have a microfiber towel, you can use a t-shirt. Please excuse the way that this towel looks. I mean, it's been through some things. It's been stained by makeup and all that, but it does the job. So in this next clip, I wanted you guys to listen to this sound. This is how I know that the products are really in my hair and it's really going to give me a bomb result. So if you want to make sure you have a good result when you do a wash and go, listen for that sound. So that's pretty much it and all I do to my hair, and then I like to style it while it's wet before it starts to dry, just so that way I won't manipulate it and mess up the curl pattern, because I really don't want a lot of frizz, because then it won't last as long, the wash and go itself. So I like to style it right before. So my hair is not even dry yet, but you can already tell that there's a lot of definition and that I'm going to get really good results because there's shine and definition, and yeah, so I really like these products. So now I just have to wait for it to dry. I did want to mention this was the oil that I was talking about that I spray in my hair, but now I'm back and there's a cast on my hair, but I wanted to show you guys what my hair looked like before I scrunched that out, and it is like still damp in certain areas, but it's been over an hour and this is what my hair looks like. So I'm just going to scrunch out that cast as little as I can because, like I said, it's still damp, so it's still drying, but I'm just going to scrunch it out so you guys can see kind of how defined my hair gets after I scrunch that cast out. Sort of giving you guys a sneak peek to what my hair will look like when it's finally dry. So that's pretty much it. There's so much definition and it's so shiny and bouncy. I'm in love with these results. But that's all I have for you all today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.